So what is the best car vacuum? Hello everybody, my name is Gary, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best car detailing tips and tricks. Whether you're a seasoned car detailer, a weekend warrior, or just a person that likes car vacuuming, this video is for you. Not only am I going to show you the best car vacuum, but if you stick around to the end, I'm going to give you 3 tips and tricks for car detailing that's going to keep your vacuum lasting for a very long time and continuing to smell great. When it comes to car detailing, the vacuum that you pick makes all the difference. Nobody wants to work harder than they need to, and that's why I'm going to start this video by telling you what vacuum not to pick. Doing a simple search online, 9 times out of 10, the vacuum that you will probably find for car vacuuming is going to be this rigid 4-gallon, 5 horsepower, wet dry car vacuum. Many people will also pair that vacuum with their auto detailing kit seen here for an additional $54. Now, both of these items are considered some of the industry standards, and I'm here to tell you that they are a waste of money, because there's a better vacuum out there and I have the receipts to prove it. Let's talk about why we need to use a car vacuum that's specific for car detailing. Here's a comparison chart for some of the best vacuums in your home. Now on the left side, here's some of the leading car vacuums. What this chart's telling you is that the CFMs for car vacuums are much greater than the ones that are intended for your home. The higher the CFM, more suction power, and the better your vacuum is going to be at picking up any of that debris, that dog hair, or anything that your wife, kids, husband, or your customers leave behind in those dirty, filthy cars. This chart's going to tell you how much suction power the vacuum has at the hose. And why this is important is because the more suction power that a vacuum has, the easier it's going to be to pick up any of that debris, making you work less hard. Vacuum on the right, that's the best car vacuum, is the Vacmaster Beast. It has almost double the suction power that the rigid vacuum has. At the base, these vacuums are very similar, and the rigid is almost a little bit better. What separates them is the Vacmaster's hose is slightly smaller, causing it to have greater suction power. But please understand that the hose is plenty long enough to navigate in any vehicle. This problem gets exacerbated when you use that $54 kit that rigid sells, because the longer the hose, the less suction power, and the harder you have to work at vacuuming those cars. Now let's see how these vacuums stack up against your friendly neighborhood car vacuum. What this chart's going to show is that the Vacmaster Beast has even more suction than a 3-stage commercial vacuum that you could find at your local car wash. The Vacmaster Beast is a completely superior car vacuum, and I promise you, for only 90 bucks, this is a vacuum that you should buy immediately. The vacuum has great accessories, very compact design, can fit in any small space. I just love it. One thing it has that the rigid doesn't have is onboard storage. I'm going to show you that now, and also I'm going to reveal those tricks to keep your vacuuming lasting forever and smelling great. Without further ado, let's check out this vacuum. Here's the vacuum. Like I said, there's onboard storage. Very nice. You can put all your attachments here on top. It has a big button that's easy to access, but we have to open it up so I can show you these car detailing hack to keep your vacuum lasting a long time and smelling great. The first thing you're going to want to do is get this filter pal. What the filter pal does is covers your filter so that no debris can get inside the actual motor, causing your vacuum to actually break over time. Next thing you're going to do is use a vacuum bag. I know it seems crazy, but using a vacuum bag can actually increase the longevity of your vacuum. The last thing you're going to want to do, this is the most important, is you're going to want to put one of these inside your vacuum, a California Sense. What this is going to do is cause your vacuum to continue to smell good for a long, long time. There's the best car vacuum and a couple tips and tricks for car detailing that should help you navigate those ferocious waters out there doing your detailing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment below if you disagree or you want to talk about any other thing related to car detailing.